today, my dad asked for breakfast tacos and he wanted Chipotle sauce. So that's what we're gonna make. But first, you're gonna need salt, ground cumin, a lime, Chipotle pepper, and sour cream. And first, you're gonna add your Chipotle pepper. And then your sour cream. And you're gonna add some cumin. Is that enough? Gosh, wow, the cumin. If you need, just bring it like that. That should be enough. And then you're gonna need just a little bit of salt. And then you're gonna do that, then put your lid back on. Because if you have a problem, I would put your lid back on. And then you're gonna need your pepper. Should be enough, and you can. And then you can cut your lime. And you're gonna put it in. We can go over here with all your lime and squeeze it. And for this part, just ask your mom or dad to help you with it. And now put the lid on your blender. And now mix it up and take your top off and then try to get some off the top and then mix it up. It's strong. Actually, this is good. And then that should be good. And then you're gonna take it out. And then we're gonna move to our eggs. And now we're gonna move on to our scrambled eggs. And I like to have grated cheese, but if you don't like cheese, you don't have to have it. But I personally like it. And now all you need to do is cut it. There you go, and then move that over there. And having adults help with grating the cheese. I'm gonna just do it on the ground. And that should be good. And you always want to do a taste test. And make sure if there's any on the bottom, just get that off. Okay, here goes nothing. Cheese is the best. And now we're gonna crack our eggs. I have 6 since I love eggs. That sure came out. Oh my cheese. On the cheese. And these eggs are fresh from my grandma's house. Because she is a humongous chicken lady. And I am a humongous egg mess person. Oh, Mommy, you poor rag. You poor rag. And make sure to try to keep your cutting board clean. Why can't I say it? cutting board clean. And not like me. Oh my gosh. And make sure there's no eggshell in your eggs. That would be good. Oh my gee, that's a humongous piece. No. Where'd it go? And don't be like me searching through your eggs for a piece. Where'd it go? I saw a piece in here. It'll be fine. Nobody will even notice. My eggs! Let me catch them. And the eggs are very rolly. And after this one, there's only going to be one left. My eggs. One egg left. Mason, hush. Sorry, my little brother keeps on laughing. But he's back there doing his thing. And then you're gonna get your fork, and I just like to smash them so they don't stay in a big yolk. Really stab them. See how that one's not in a big yolk no more? And just keep on. And now I'm gonna cut my butter like this. Oh my gosh. And it is very buttery. Then you're gonna, oh, that was so cool. I'm just gonna wipe my hand on this. And then I'm gonna turn my burner on. And lay that over there. And after your butter's melted, you're gonna add in all of your eggs. And while adding your eggs, make sure you have help. Oh my gosh, it's gonna get on my fingers. That's a lot of eggs. And if you like eggs, comment down below. Because I love them. Because my biscuit video, when I said I hated eggs, I didn't really mean, I just meant I hate it whenever it does that. And then I'm going to get this and just do it like that. And whenever you're cooking your eggs, make sure you have help by your parents. We're going to have some salt. If I can even get any. There we go.
That's too much.
Yeah. There is some. Oh, it only got on one side. Okay. And then I'm going to add some pepper. And you can add this if you want, but you don't have to. But I think it tastes better with all this stuff. And then next you're gonna add some paprika. But paprika usually comes out very fast, so just be very careful and ask your parents for help. Oh, that looks like enough. And then you're gonna get your eggs back. it off the heat and turn it off. Okay. And then now we're going to dump in all our cheese. Just grab it and then you're going to get your cheese and sprinkle it all over. And try to make sure it gets on all of the eggs. And make sure you grab all of it because cheese is delicious. So yay cheese. And then just mix that up together. Once you have a ton of cheese. And the cheese should melt a little bit, which will make it look super duper good. And next you're gonna grab your tortilla, which my mom already toasted on this stove for me. And you're gonna get your eggs. That should be good. I'm just gonna get them and actually move them in the middle. And I'm gonna get my sauce and sprinkle it over just like that. And that's enough. And I'm gonna get some of my fresh chopped
Cilantro.
And I'm just gonna sprinkle it on like that. And this will be the best breakfast burrito or taco, doesn't matter what you call it, ever. And then you're gonna
And these are also really good with sausage or bacon.
Yeah. And I'm gonna grab it and just roll it up. And put this on. Okay, Daddy, you ready? And I just like my eggs by themselves. And I'm just gonna get my eggs and put them in this bowl. Uh-oh. That's fine. And I hope you enjoy your tasty meal, just like I'm gonna enjoy mine. This is super good, and thanks for cooking with them.